The Public Underground Research Center has received a lot of response from audio engineers from all over the world. A special team of experts has been put together and works from the PURC data center. They have made a sound analysis of the audio recording of 12 kilometers depth. The technicians have succeeded in isolating a signal from the ambient noise. And finally edit and decipher to this surprising result.
Help me, I'm trapped.
Again, the scientists at the Public Underground Research Center are puzzled where this message comes from.